time, I want to call on Mr. Tony and Miss no, never be Mrs. and Miss Owa to step out to the podium before I join you people. Please work hard quietly. DJ, give them hand steps to come out. Hand music. I will ask them small questions. I will not be sure that they do correct. Mr. Tony, leave am first now. Leave am. You should not go wrong. Say your parents are here. The parents are here. Good. Miss Uwa, your parents are still there?
No.
Your parents not there yet? Why?
They're not green now. They say they're not going to green make I marry her. I mean, I love her well. Even though they talk say they're not green. Me, I say I must follow and anything marry. I want in fact today we must marry.
Correct. The girl say Papa not there here, Mama not there here. I ain't love the boy, I ain't must marry. Now me won't separate them. What God has joined together. Let no man, let no pastor, let no native doctor put asunder. Good. I think we're waiting to talk. Why you want to come marry him? Why?
Pastor, this girl right from our secondary school. I mean they pay our school fees. You hear me? Secondary school. I mean they pay our school fees. She don't finish university. Now me still pay school fees. That price they pass down.
Don't get it. You don't need to break that president. I believe we say, go away train there from primary school, secondary school. I believe we say, look out to university. If Papa say no, agree, even if you be rich, you can just allow them marry. So then they could not come here. Nothing. They must marry.
Don't get it twisted. Love is a beautiful thing.
Before we go join them now. I want to ask anybody there here, they never agree, make them marry. Let me raise up your hand. Wait now. When I was for married, wait. Wait now, may I ask you a question?
I don't need your question.
Wait, I
don't go like this marriage.
Oh God, you say raise hand up. This one and this one. And then, why you don't want to make them marry? You're the wicked man. Yes. You're the evil. Why? Beautiful. You see this guy? Let me train up for KG, pre-KG. This guy. Even said, let me virgin. Mr. Tony, Pastor Mala, your milk is virgin. Two people don't is virgin. That's no one matter. Okay, sorry, I come. What will be your own question?
It will be saying this man when he says so. He don't promise me marriage. He even meets my papa and mama. I surprised that they pay this one school fees from 6 kg. Now he starts from kindergarten. He starts from nursery. He they pay him, and now he won't come for waiting.
Wait. This man. I know. Wait. This marriage will settle on. Wait now. Wait. No go excuse me. You want wait. Auntie, no go for marriage. Wait, please. As a man of God, you respect me. Wait. Wait now. Listen to me, Oga. Wait. Make una listen now. I tell you what, that church today. What in there be said? By the power invested in me as a man of God. Wait now, make una listen. I'm helping you. I'm trying to help you. Since this woman come and say this man promise her marriage. This man say na him trainer. This one say na him trainer. I hereby prescribe again this marriage till December until we settle this issue. No more marriage. DJ, I turn this marriage party to become an ordinary party. Give us music and dance.
Ìfẹ́ kó dogo mi, ìyá pọ̀n ẹrù lẹ̀ ọ̀sẹ̀ mi. Ìfẹ́ kó dogo mi, ìyá pọ̀n ẹrù lẹ̀. Ìfẹ́ kó dogo mi, ìyá pọ̀n ẹrù lẹ̀ ìnàkọ̀. Ìfẹ́ kó dogo mi, ìyá pọ̀n ẹrù lẹ̀. Àìmí àkẹ́ ní sẹ́gbẹ́ mú kéènẹ́gà ọ̀tẹ́. Ìfẹ́ kó dogo mi, ìyá pọ̀n ẹrù lẹ̀.